At Spotify Camp Nou, the transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. The roof structure keeps expanding, the third tier is accelerating again, and now the exterior facade is preparing to light up the Barcelona skyline. For the first time, electrical wiring has been seen running through the decorative slats around the stadium, a clear sign that the illuminated exterior system is getting closer to reality. So stay with us, because today we are going to show you some of the most interesting updates happening right now. We don't waste any time. Let's get straight into it. Activity has once again restarted around the logistical ring between the second and third overhang levels after months of slower progress in areas like Goal Sud, Tribuna, and Goal Nord. Multiple cranes and working platforms are now active again, while crews have resumed installing galvanized steel decking panels that will later be concreted over. At the same time, bathroom walls, hospitality zones, and food service areas continue rising rapidly inside Spotify Camp Nou. All of this is part of the club's major objective to prepare the third tier as quickly as possible before the intense summer construction phase begins. High above the stadium, roof ring installation continues progressing steadily. Crews are now placing new support formworks to prepare the structure for the next batch of ring boxes. The process continues in cycles. Support structures are installed, ring boxes are lifted into position, and once secured, the formworks are removed and reused further ahead. Today's activity strongly suggests that new ring boxes are expected very soon. One of the biggest updates today comes directly from the stadium facade. Workers have now been seen connecting electrical cabling through the decorative exterior slats, and realistically, there is only one reason for that. The slats are going to light up at night. For months, supporters have watched the Catalan-colored pattern spread across the exterior. But now, the new Camp Nou is preparing to become a glowing landmark over Barcelona after sunset. Around the overhang levels, crews continue polishing the large structural pillars supporting the exterior sections of the stadium. Heavy dust around the area shows how intensive the work currently is. These are important preparations for upcoming construction phases. Visually, the transformation is becoming obvious. Exterior walls are taking shape, door openings are becoming clearer, and the overall silhouette looks far more complete than before. Inside the stadium, progress across the VIP corridors continues accelerating. Crews are concreting major floor sections throughout the premium hospitality zones, while glass enclosure installation also continues expanding across multiple areas. The combination of finished flooring surfaces and elegant glass structures is already giving these spaces a refined and luxurious appearance. The Grandstand remains one of the busiest areas of the project, with several operations progressing simultaneously. Ventilation tube installation continues expanding throughout the section, while sandwich panel installation and exterior enclosure works keep transforming the facade. Compared to only a few weeks ago, the visual change is dramatic. Today's update once again showed how quickly the future home of FC Barcelona is evolving. The roof ring keeps rising. The third tier is accelerating. VIP interiors continue improving. And now the exterior facade is preparing to illuminate the Barcelona skyline. This is no longer just a stadium renovation. It is the rise of a future global landmark